Okay, all of you, good morning. Okay, in previous videos we have learned about commercial banking functions. Today in this video I am going to explain you about from same unit 12, financial market. So especially there are two types of financial market, money market and capital markets. So first let me explain what is financial market. Okay, now financial market is such a market where financial instruments are traded or financial instruments are purchased and sold. It is said that this financial market is the brain of economy. This financial markets channelizes the saving to the investment. The saving which is done by different people in different bank in different financial institutions goes in the process of investment through this financial market. It is said that this financial market makes available fund to the business person trader for their business for their traders, and this financial market also provides short term as well as long terms loans for the trader and business persons. And when we talk about financial instrument means we are talking about what? Share, debenture, bonds, government securities, certificate of deposit. There are somewhat financial instruments which are sold and purchased in these financial markets. And now money markets. Now money market means it is such a market which does the trading of financial instruments for only one period. Its maturity period is only 1 year. And in this type of markets, the instrument like treasury bills, commercial papers and certificate of deposit are traded, and its maturity period is only 1 year. And this money market also has some features. So its features are like this: the maturity periods, trading instruments, institutions, purpose of loans, risks, relation with central banks, market regulation. So now I am going to explain your features also. Now it is said maturity period means maturity period of this money market is only 1 year. And credit instruments means the credit instrument of this money market is treasury bills, commercial papers and certificate of deposits. Institutions means institutions like central bank, commercial bank, bill brokers, non-banking institutions, they are involved in this money market. Now it is said that now next is purpose of loan means this money market makes available fund to the investor as a working capitals, as a working capital, to the business person as a working capitals. Risk. Now the degree of risk is very small in compared to the capital market in money markets. Now relation with central bank. Now it is said that money market also is closely or directly linked with the central banks of the country. And it is said that in money market, commercial banks are more regulated. Now talking about what? Capital market. Now capital market means it is a type of market, where long-term financial instruments are traded, and it makes the fund available to the business person for long terms. Or easily advanced, it makes the fund available to the business for long terms to purchase fixed assets like tools, equipment, machinery, furniture, construction of buildings, plants and machinery, these things. Okay, now features of this capital market same. Now maturity period means the maturity period of this capital market is more than 1 year. The current instrument of this capital markets are debentures, share, equity shares, government securities. These are the current instruments which are traded in this capital market. Okay, institutions of this capital market are next institutions. The institutions of this capital market are stock exchange, development banks, financial companies, insurance companies, provident fund, investment companies. These are the institutions which are involved for the trading of this capital market instrument like debentures and government securities. Purpose of loans. Now this capital market provides loan to the businessmen and traders for long term. Usually this capital market provides loan to the business and traders for long term to purchase fixed assets, or to purchase what? Fixed assets, like as I said, to purchase plant and machinery, equipment, tools, buildings, etc. Risks. Now it is said that in compared to money market, there is greater risks in capital market than money market. A relation with central bank. It says that this capital market has no relationship between central bank and central bank, because institution of capital market are regulated by the what? Central bank. Market regulation. In capital market, the institutions are not much regulated. So it is said that in capital market, the institutions are not more regulated. So today in this video, I have explained you, what is financial market and its types, money market and capital market. Along with that, I have also explained you features, and by this video today also we are going to in this unit 12. So from tomorrow or from next video, we'll start next lessons. Another lessons, unit 13. Okay, this is for today. Now there will be photo will be sent to you. From that photo you can note down. Okay, thank you all of you.